This 5-minute solution will show you how to link your Steam to Discord, how to link your Xbox to Steam. Open your Xbox and click on your profile. Click on settings. Here scroll down and you will get Steam option. So click on link. And now here you will get your Steam account. If you're signing into your Steam account using your browser already, click on sign in and click on open Xbox. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Steam with my Xbox. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.